So, the most popularly voted theme for the August Energy Camp for a workshop was Sanctuary Magic. Now, Sanctuary is where we go in our mind into that place of memory, dreams, imagination, metaphor, journeys of our mind. And it's possible to enter that in a fully six sensory immersive experience where that changes us and we learn new things and have new experiences that we can't necessarily have in the physical world with all of the magic that is available in the energy worlds. What we're going to do in this workshop, show you the basics of how to get into Sanctuary in a fully immersive place. And with our group, we're going to co-create an adventure, a magical adventure where each of us is in the adventure together in the same sanctuary space, and also creating and adding to the story, each one of us contributing to the story inspired by the energy symbols. Such fun, such surprises, so energizing, a great game to play. This is just one of the amazing energy workshops in the August Energy Camp. I hope you'll join us. Check out the link for more details and registration.